Kulumbai, Namaste, Salam. This is Bodoland Brothers Motorcycle Club, and I would like to welcome you all to the 4th edition of the Assam Riders Meet, which will be hosted by the Bodoland Brothers Motorcycle Club on the 7th and 8th of March 2025 in Baokhungri, Kokrajhar district, Bodoland region, Assam, India. We would like to host you here in the scenic beauty of Baokhungri Hills, which is famous for the Boisagu or Bihu festival. We would like to host you to our different kinds of delicacies of Bodoland region. We would like to showcase our culture and tradition. Come join us and support us and keep up the spirit of brotherhood. Kulumbai, Namaste, Jai Hind.